Tetovo is a city in the northwestern part of North Macedonia, built on the foothills of Sar Mountain and divided by the Pena River. The municipality of Tetovo covers an area of 1,080 square kilometers at 468 meters above sea level, with a population of 52,915. The city of Tetovo is the seat of Tetovo municipality. In antiquity, Tetovo was a peneste and river Atatos, a tributary to the Vardar River. This was a territory where the Illyrian tribe Peneste lived, and it included the fortress towns Dradicum, Uskana, Divra and Stibera in northern Pelagonia. Based on archaeological findings in the area, the city was first inhabited thousands of years ago. Archaeological findings include a Mycenaean sword and a bronze statuette of the 6th c. BCE. Subsequently, Oinion was ruled by many ethnic groups: the Illyrian king Genti of the Labite, by King Perseus of Macedonia, by the Romans, by the Byzantines, by the Slavs, by the Bulgarians, and by the Albanians led by Gajug Kustriati Skanderbeg. In the 15th c. AD, Oinium came under Ottoman rule for about 5 centuries. For a short period of time during the 15th century, Tetovo came under the control of the Albanian state. League of Legge led by Gajug Kustriati Skanderbeg and the Albanians achieved a victory over the Ottomans in the Battle of Polog. After its conquest by the Ottomans, most of city's population converted to Islam and many Ottoman-style structures were built, such as the Saria Zamija and the Arabati Baba Teke, which still stand as two of Macedonia's most significant landmarks of its Ottoman period. During this period, the town belonged to the Vilayet of Kosovo, became a firearm and cannon foundry, and was renamed Kalkandalan. As a result, the town attracted many workers and grew to a city. Following the World Wars, Tetovo became a part of Yugoslavia and, later, the Republic of Macedonia. Tetovo has become the unofficial capital and center of a predominantly ethnic Albanian region which extends in an arc from Tetovo to Struga. Over 1/3 of the city is inhabited by ethnic Macedonians. Tetovo historically had a large Turkish population, forming nearly 1/4 as recently as 1961, though it now makes up under 4% of the city. Southeast European University, North Macedonia's third largest university after Skopje and Bitala, is located in Tetovo. Tetovo is also home to the State University of Tetovo. There have been archaeological discoveries near Tetovo which date back to the Bronze Age. In North Macedonia, the oldest artifact, a Mycenaean sword from the Bronze Age, was found outside Tetovo. It is now on show in the Museum of Macedonia in Skopje. In early antiquity, Tetovo was first mentioned as Oinium, Divra and the main outlets towards Stibera in northern Pelagonia. Remote though it was, the territory of the Peneste had strategic importance. It provided one of the few passages from Illyria to Macedonia and Dardania to Macedonia via Oinium Dradicum Uskana Stibera. In the period of 800-550 BC, the Dardani broke into Pelagonia via Tetovo and Gostava and pushed the Phrygian bridges there into the northern hills. It is probable that they overran Lyncus, Odia and Edessa. The Illyrian influence of the region has been noted in the archaeological discovery of a statue of bronzed dancer from the Illyrian period, 6th century BC. In 171 BC, Gentius was allied with the Romans against the Macedonians, and together in 170 BC, the Romans led by Appius Claudius were on the verge of victory. However, Gentius in 169 BC changed sides and allied himself with Perseus of Macedon and led his army to a victory over the Romans in Uskana via Oinium. In 169 BC, Oinium fell into the hands of the Romans again. The Peneste were generally allied with the Romans. After the conquest of Uskana, Perseus marched his army towards Oinium. The location of the town was a good one, and in particular there was a pass there to the Labite, Gentius kingdom. One of Perseus' men familiar with the area said there was no point in taking Oinium unless he controlled Dradicum. Perseus took Dradicum with ease. However, when Perseus reached Oinium, it could not be taken without a full-scale assault. Its strength lay in having rather more men of military age than other places, in the fortified walls of the town, and in being enclosed on one side by a river and on the other by a mountain which was very high and difficult of access. These factors gave the townspeople some hope of resisting. Perseus invested the town and began constructing a ramp on the upper side of the city. Its height would bring him up over the city walls. As soon as the ramp reached the city wall, the assault began and led to Perseus capturing Oenium. The town was plundered and the adult males were slaughtered. By 168 BC, Gentius and Perseus were both defeated by the Romans and the area of Oenium became a part of the Roman province of Illyricum. Oenium remained within Illyricum until Diocletian's reform and Oinu